Hello, welcome back to Tax Gems 2025. And we are on the 12th day of the 12 days of Taxmas. Merry Christmas to everybody, and I hope everybody got what their little hearts desired. Now, let's get right to the good stuff for tonight. Well, before we get into the good stuff, let me remind you that December the 31st is approaching fast. So, if you have not taken advantage of everything you can do to maximize your credits for this tax season, you still have time to do so. Reach out to Montgomery Maximized Tax Service and we will be happy to assist you with that. Okay. We offer free consultations up until January the 15th. Come on down, give us a call, hit us up by email. We'll be happy to work with you. Um, Now, recap. On day one, we talked about the changes to the standard deduction. On day two, we talked about the tax bracket changes. So, give you an idea maybe what tax bracket you could be falling into. We discussed the refundable credits. We discussed non refundable credits. We talked about various contribution limits and changes that had been made. We talked about the way some of the changes have affected the small business community. Um, we also talked about deductions that was available to small business owners um, and independent contractors, freelancers of that nature. We also talked about various business credits that was available to those businesses and independent contractors and freelancers. And we also discussed the ERC deadline. Don't forget about the ERC deadline for my companies that were open during COVID. Do not leave your money on the table because you have a substantial amount of money that you can claim if you worked your employees through COVID. All we have to do is amend your payroll tax. It's not that hard. Reach out, give us a call if there's something you have not taken advantage of, because again, the deadline is approaching for the ERC credit. Okay. And if you don't get in by the deadline, it's dollars on the table, baby. And we also talked about ways that you, as a W 2 employee, could reduce your taxable income because a lot of us, being W 2 employees, we do not qualify for the same deductions or credits that a small business would. So, all of that is good stuff. All of that was a pleasure to share with you. That was just a small recap. We dropped a couple of golden gems. Again, I was gonna run them back down and give y'all a list of all the golden gems, but I just thought that would be just too easy for everybody. If you want to pick up the golden nuggets, you're gonna have to go back and watch the videos. Go watch them because it's some real good golden nuggets, but you will get one tonight. The golden nugget that I'm gonna drop on you tonight. If you have children, you have the ability to reduce your taxable income by $10,000 to $14,000 per child. That's right. If you got three kids, you can reduce it by 30,000. If you got four, it's 40,000. Um, yeah, it's a way that you can do that. But you need to reach out to us over here at Montgomery Maximized Tax Service so we can help you take advantage of that loophole. Um, and I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Again, that is the golden gem for tonight. I just came on to do a recap, drop y'all one last golden nugget. It's been a pleasure dropping knowledge to y'all these last 12 days. And we're going to have more videos coming. We're finished with the 12 days of Taxmas, so I can't tell you what I'll be dropping next. But as more new information become available to me and more things come to my knowledge, I will be getting online to share them with you all or just get on to say hi. I hope you all have enjoyed the 12 days of Taxmas, and I will see you soon.